The crane takes the container from the vessel and begins to lower it onto the lash platform. Once it gets to 2 meters above the lash platform, hoist speed reduction is triggered to enable a smooth landing onto the platform. Lashers are then safe to decone or take the twist locks out and place them in the cone bins.
Once the locks have been removed, the lashers return to the cabin to push the release button. The release button returns control back to the crane operator. The container can then be lowered onto the berth for a straddle to take away. The process is reversed for export cargo.